Welcome to Epstein, Becker, Green's Employment Law This Week podcast. I'm George Whipple. The legislative session is winding down in many states across the country, and that means a host of new laws are set to take effect. In the past few years, we've seen an uptick in state-level employment regulation, and this year was no different. In California, the nation's largest state, and among the most employee-friendly, we saw legislation on paid sick leave, artificial intelligence, pay equity, and tipped worker protections. Almost 20 laws in total. Just about all those new California laws take effect on January 1st, 2026, as do many new laws in other states. Stay tuned here for important information about new employment legislation taking effect in your state soon. In recent years, 13 states have introduced captive audience bans, which prevent employers from retaliating against employees who refuse to attend company meetings where the employer advocates against union organizing. Many of these laws also prohibit retaliation against employees who refuse to attend meetings related to religion and politics as well. Now, federal courts are beginning to weigh in on these state bans. A district judge blocked a ban in California with a preliminary injunction, finding that it likely violated the free speech of employers. But a different federal judge dismissed a challenge against a similar ban in Illinois on jurisdictional grounds, allowing the state to move forward with enforcement. We'll keep watching as more of these challenges proceed. Rhode Island rolls out workplace protections for menopause. In an amendment to the Ocean State's Fair Employment Practices Act, Rhode Island broke new ground this year by adding menopause as a protected condition. Employers with 4 or more employees in the state must engage in an interactive process with an employee requesting accommodation for menopause symptoms and cannot deny employment or require leave if a reasonable accommodation exists. This could be the start of a new trend. Some states already mandate health insurance coverage for menopause treatments, and New York has proposed legislation, the New York Menopause Awareness Improvement Act. That's it for this week. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.
This podcast is presented by Epstein, Becker, and Green, PC. All rights are reserved. This audio recording includes information about legal issues and legal developments. Such materials are for informational purposes only and may not reflect the most current legal developments. These informational materials are not intended and should not be taken as legal advice on any particular set of facts or circumstances, and these materials are not a substitute for the advice of competent counsel. The content reflects the personal views and opinions of the participants. No attorney-client relationship has been created by this audio recording. This audio recording may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions under the applicable law and ethical rules. The determination of the need for legal services and the choice of a lawyer are extremely important decisions and should not be based solely upon advertisements or self-proclaimed expertise. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers.